Okay, so I believe you wanted me to solve this one. So it's the integral of x cubed over x squared plus 9 dx. So the first thing is you've got to realize that this is a tangent substitution because it's x squared plus 9. So we let x equal 3 tangent theta, which is going to give us dx equals 3 secant squared theta d theta. So we do our we substitute that in and we'll get 27 tangent cube theta over the square root of 9 tangent squared theta plus 9, and then there's a 3 secant squared theta d theta. Okay, so this right here is going to reduce to the 3 will come out, that will cancel with that. And tangent squared theta plus 1, as we know, is secant squared theta. So that's 27 integral of tangent cubed theta, secant squared theta d theta, over the square root of secant squared theta. But the square root of secant squared theta is secant theta. We'll assume secant theta is positive. So that will give us 27 integral of tangent cubed theta, secant theta d theta, after we've done the cancelling. Okay, so now we're going to write everything in terms of sine and cosine. So we'll have sine cubed theta over cosine cubed theta times 1 over cosine theta d theta. And we got an odd number of sines. So when we have an odd number of sines, we take out one of the sines. So we get 27 sine theta times sine squared theta. But sine squared theta is 1 minus cosine squared theta d theta over cosine to the 4th theta. All right, so now we've got everything written in the way we want. We let u be sine theta, so du is cosine theta d theta. Just scoot the camera down. There you go. All right, and so that will give us, what will that give us? So that'll give us 1 minus u squared over u to the 4th, is that right? Yeah, du. So that we'll break that into 2. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up with the powers. 1 over u to the 4th minus u squared over, which is 1 over u squared du. That integral is 27. Let's move the paper down a bit more. Is 27 u to the negative 3 over negative 3 u cubed minus 27. Oh, that's 5. Can't. Oh, no, 3 is right. And then this one will be over negative 1 over u plus c. So that will give us what? Negative 9 over u cubed, assuming my basic algebra is correct. Over u plus c. Okay, so now we want everything in terms of x. So we've got to go back to the first substitution, which is sine theta. Negative 9 over sine cubed theta plus 27 over sine theta plus c. Okay, so now we've got to go back up to the very top. So I'm going to move the camera up there to that one, right? So that one's going to give us a triangle, a right triangle, which is x over 3, because that's tangent theta is x over 3, and that's going to give you x squared plus 9. All right. Okay, so now so we know from this that sine must be this over this. So now we'll go back to the bottom, and we'll replace sine with x over x cubed. So that'll give us negative 9 over x over the square root of x squared plus 9 cubed plus 27 over x over square root of x squared plus 9 plus c. And there's your answer. Okay, there we go. So pretty straightforward, a relatively easy problem to do. Just multiple steps. I know you're all capable of doing that.